How to delete your cameos on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete cameo selfies on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Cameo selfies are a bit different to your Bitmoji avatars. So in order to delete it, just go ahead and then open it up. Then you want to tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. After you've done that, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and then you'll come to the settings page. And once you're on the settings page, scroll down and then here you have to look for the option called Cameos. Once you find it, just tap on Cameos. Right over here you'll be able to see your current cameos, right? You can change and do everything, but to actually delete it, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the red button that says clear my cameo selfie, so just tap on it. It'll ask you for a confirmation, do you want to clear your cameo selfie? So all you have to do is just tap on the clear option and your cameo selfie will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your cameo selfie on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.